Every breath we take connects us to the living world around us. But what if our plants could do more than just decorate our spaces? What if they could actively scrub the air clean, faster than ever before across the world? Scientists are now engineering super plants, genetically enhanced species designed to absorb pollution at lightning speed. Using CRISPR and synthetic biology, they're amplifying natural genes responsible for filtering toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon dioxide in nature. Plants use microscopic pores called stomata to breathe. By increasing the number and efficiency of these pores, or by enhancing chloroplast energy cycles, researchers have created hybrids that process carbon up to 10 times faster than normal vegetation. Imagine city walls covered in living green filters, buildings that clean the air while powering themselves through photosynthesis. Some startups are already developing bioengineered moss panels that remove as much CO2 as hundreds of trees in a fraction of the space. Biotech is turning nature itself into technology, and one day soon the plants we grow won't just decorate our future, they'll save it